In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get CapCut Pro free forever without downloading any sketchy software, visiting shady websites, and absolutely no cracked versions involved. This method works with any version of CapCut you're using. This method is 100% safe and works using the CapCut folder already embedded on your PC. No login required. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss a step, because if you do, it might not work for you. So let's get started. Import the video you want to work on, and then edit it to your liking. Add all the pro effects you'd like. Next, select everything on your timeline by pressing Ctrl+A, then make it into a compound clip by pressing Alt+G. Next, add motion blur, but reduce it to 0. When motion blur is done processing, head on over to your program files. So head over to this PC, double-click on Windows SSD, then go to Users. Click on your user profile, then click on App Data. Next, head over to Local, then click on CapCut. Then go to User Data. Under User Data, select Cache. Then look for Motion Blur Cache. Your video should be there with all your pro effects on it.
So don't be afraid to niche down. Influence is today's gold rush. And that doesn't mean you have to have millions of followers. You can have 5,000 followers, but
If you found this helpful, share it with a friend. Also, like and subscribe for more videos like this.